Today we are going to be making sea life water. Alright, let's get started. So first you'll need a container. First, get a glass of water and pour it in the container. Okay. And if it's like too high, just like take your marker and like drop some of this stuff in. Then mix it around with your finger. Very careful. You can add more if you want, but I'm going to add so much because it's sea life. Anyway. And if you want to add more, you can add more. If you don't want to, then you don't have to. It's sea life. Okay. Mix it so you're still mixing. And then take the cap, use your glass, put it in. Make sure water doesn't actually spill. And then you will take some tape and then wrap it around thingy. Wrap it around. So the water doesn't like spill out. Very careful going around. Alright, that's how you make sea life water. Done.
3 hours later.
Hey guys, I'm at school. Hey teacher. Hi. Alright guys, today's lesson we are going to learning about what is your favorite things?
Ooh, cool. I'm going to get out my stuff first.
Alright, let's see what you packed.
I packed my handwriting book.
Okay, so where's your dad? Here, I'll put that in for you.
So what you pack next? Reading for recess.
Okay,
Reading
always
for
recess.
Always reading. Just reading.
My ELA book. Okay.
A notebook.
Okay. Awesome. I can put that.
Another notebook.
Okay.
My pencil. A pencil and
There's a do not. Here you go.
toys.
Cool. Okay. Okay, I'm coming around to look.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay.
Okay, I'll read mine to everybody. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite toy is... Oops, I erased it.
A plus.
Thank you.
F.
Aww.
A.
Yay.
B.
Thank you.
Hello guys, we're back and we are making a video about
Play-Doh. Oh my god. We're literally gonna like play and use all this. There's even this ginormous thing. I don't know what it is.
Okay, guys. So we're actually doing like a challenge to see who can make the best French toast.
French toast? Are you like kidding me?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Set, and Miri is gonna judge. All right, 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, so guys, I'm gonna make some French toast right now. I need brown. Is that good? I'm gonna make like brown French toast.
Yeah, like I'm gonna make.
I need to make
Something
a
too.
French toast shape. And I'm gonna make like a shape.
Scott's doing good. Scott's doing perfectly good. I'm not doing so good because I didn't even make a shape yet. After you use that, can I use that? Yeah. Thanks. And I'm gonna get a plate for my French toast.
I already have one.
What? You do?
Yeah. Okay, here we go. And I'm gonna make some star French toast. So,
Oh my god, girl. I'm gonna make it like a regular French toast. White.
so
Doo-doo-doo. Oh, hey guys. We're making our part 2 of Play-Doh. So we've got all our Play-Doh here. And
okay,
the
now we're
challenge.
gonna
Back to the challenge.
Yeah, back to
The French toast challenge. Okay, so I'm shaping it out into a rectangle just like my aunt does. You guys will meet her someday. And see her in one of my videos, maybe. One of our videos. I'm trying to be quick. Hey!
I need it.
Thank you, bye.
Thank you. Well, let's see.
Okay,
Gonna be a heart.
maybe we can make
You can't make a bread shape.
I can make something.
Okay, now I need a plate.
Oh my god, no, this is not gonna work.
And I need a spatula.
Oh my god. Are you like grilling something? Maybe I don't make French toast. Maybe I want to make ice cream, chocolate ice cream. Chocolate ice cream, ice cream. Okay, ice cream. I'm gonna flatten it. Roll it. I'm rolling the dough.
And so now.
Did you guys know that Play-Doh was invented in 1949? And then the inventor showed it to a group of educationers, and then Play-Doh was a hit. Instead of using modeling clay, they used Play-Doh. So many people use this now. That's how Play-Doh was invented, basically. Okay, now I'm gonna shape it. Ooh. Aha. Wait, I'm gonna shape this. Is there any sparkly dough?
I'm making a little cake, guys. No,
No.
you messed it up.
Nope.
You
Any
want
of
you to
this.
win, Paige? No, you're never gonna win.
Oh my god. Oh, there we go. There's some white dough. So what I'm gonna do basically is just put the white dough in. I'm gonna make a vanilla bottom chocolate ice cream sundae.
I'm just making a cake.
Make a cake? Oh my god.
And here's my cake, and I'm gonna make something else too. I'm gonna make some color ice
Girl,
cream.
I'm gonna make something.
I'm gonna make
cool.
some I need a cup. Here's my cappuccino.
God. Ooh, I can
Cappuccino.
use probably this for something. Like, I know what I can do. I could do little chocolate sprinkles with the other ones. We know chocolate chips, mega chocolate chips.
Make sure to not mix it.
I'm not mixing it, don't worry. Okay, here's my thing.
Veggie, that will mix.
That won't mix, look.
I was really afraid.
Don't worry.
Don't like
Everything will be
smoosh it
fine.
in.
Don't worry, everything will be fine. This is gonna be the drink. Don't worry. There's more. Okay, now I'm gonna do the main dish. I'm gonna make a cupcake. This is gonna be perfect. Making a cupcake.
Maybe one video will mix all of our Play-Dohs.
No, that would be horrible. That would look like a giant, disgusting clump of Play-Doh.
I'll go get them.
Oh, it's looking amazing.
This is Paige's video, and I'll be back in my part. Okay? Bye.
And so I am making this. Yep. Sounds good. Doing something. Okay, so I'm making the base of the cupcake. Making the chocolate cupcake. And
Now to hop in.
there we go. There we go. Put down the top. There. That's perfect. Roll it in a little bit. Aha, that's what I was looking for. Now, let's make a perfect frosting. Okay, can put this back.
Okay, guys, I'm back. And with the 3-color Play-Doh. Look.
Don't. Oh, maybe I should do one. A 3-colored one too.
Blue Play-Doh.
Ooh, I found one. I've got one too for my cupcake.
You got a lot of these. Mix the Play-Doh. No, it's smooshed. Okay, you gotta like get it out with your hands.
Are you kidding me?
I'm too excited.
Oh my god, that feels so good. Mix it. Mix it. I love mixing this. Oh my god.
It's
Cool.
making green.
It's making like a nice.
Comment down below if you like this nice like neon rainbow color.
And also,
Do you think
say, give me a unicorn symbol if you think I'm gonna win, and give a cookie symbol if you think Scarlett's gonna win. And this is mine.
Okay.
Scarlett's first.
Alright, so this is my cappuccino, the whipped cream is falling. So I'll take that off, and this is my cake and some French fries or cupcake, whatever you want to call it. And this is my cappuccino.
You already announced that. Okay, mine. So I've got this this chocolate vanilla whipped with mega chocolate chip cappuccino. And this cute little rainbow cupcake.